What's up, guys? Mike here with 88 Studios, and today we are at Gold Lake in beautiful Graeagle, California, where today we're gonna be grilling up some 4x4 quesadillas. Perfect opportunity to bring the MiniMax by Big Green Egg. This grill is perfect. We loaded in the back of the Bronco, strapped it down, and it made the whole trek, and that was a bumpy road. This thing is awesome. 4x4 quesadilla is like a regular quesadilla, but there's 4 of them. A 4x4 quesadilla is 4 tortillas layered with ribeye, grilled onions, pickled jalapenos, pico de gallo, queso Oaxaca. Is that how you say it? Queso Oaxaca. This thing's gonna be crazy. This MiniMax took about 15 minutes to heat up. That's what's so cool about these things. They're just on like that. So we're gonna throw these bad boys on here. We got grill temp up to 500. I hope that's not too hot. I don't know. I don't wanna mention grill temp. So the first thing we're gonna do for these 4x4 quesadillas is grill up some beautiful ribeyes. These ribeyes were graciously given to us by Searing Meat, a local meat distribution company in Reno, Nevada. You can head to their website and purchase some of this meat at your own. But thank you to them for hooking it up. These things look amazing. This is quite the meat to put on a quesadilla. We didn't want to do the traditional carne asada. Want to get mixed up a little bit. They're 4x4. They're crazy. Ah! So while these steaks are grilling up, I'm gonna chop up some onions really quick. We're gonna make some grilled onions that are gonna be so good inside that quesadilla. I want it to be really clear that I am no chef. I like taking pictures and I like eating food. I like white onions for grilling. You know why I like white onions for grilling? Because I worked at In-N-Out for a long time. Those are the only onions we grilled. They're delicious. I think the quesadilla is probably one of my favorite foods. It's simple, it's quick, it's tasty. Ribeyes are real simple, man. You want to cook it quick. You want to get a nice burn. You don't want to overcook it. And I really hope I didn't jinx it by doing that. But we're doing good here. This is what's so cool about the MiniMax. The MiniMax has a perfect grill area too. We can fit 2 of these perfectly, and we're about to fit some big quesadillas on them. MiniMax is perfect. Look at that. Nice and fatty. Ribeyes are done. We'll let those rest for a minute. All right, we got a cast iron here. Use this side to cook up the quesadillas. We're gonna use this inside to grill up some onions. So we got the MiniMax heating up that plancha. You know, the fact that we could throw this guy in the back of the Bronco and head out to the middle where we are is insane. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Let these onions get nice and grilled. Quesadilla is one of my all-time favorite foods. Savory, buttery, salty, tortilla, and queso. That's it. Today we want to step it up a bit and make the 4x4 extreme quesadilla, the Killa Dilla. That thing's about to be fire. All right, we're gonna take a look at these steaks here. They've rested long enough. I like my steak cooked medium rare, and I like all the pieces with the fat still on it. I like to be the guy that everybody gives their fat to. So the whole point was to get this guy just barely medium rare, so when we put him back on, it's gonna cook a little bit more. We don't want our meat too overcooked, so this is perfect. I'm gonna just keep eating this. These grilled onions are done. So put these to the side. Now we're all ready. We're gonna flip this over. Get it flat side down for the quesadilla. So I'm gonna be using a couple different types of cheeses here. I got queso Oaxaca and then like a traditional, basically Mexican mozzarella cheese that's used in quesadillas a lot. What we're gonna do first, let's get our tortillas ready. We get some butter, put that guy on our plancha. Tons of butter on there. Get 1 tortilla, put that guy down. Get some of our shredded cheese. This first layer of quesadilla is gonna be the layer with the meat in it. And we are going heavy on the meat. We are going heavy on the meat. We're so hungry right now. We've spent so much time in the sun today. Everybody here is just like, feed us, we're so hungry. This took too long. So I'm gonna cook 1 quesadilla normal, full circle. Boom, boom, get him off the skillet. Get another one going, let that cheese melt, and I'm gonna put this guy in the middle. So I'm like a quesadilla within a quesadilla. Also get some salt on here. I love my quesadillas to have salt. Okay, so we got 1 portion of the quesadilla done. That's the inside. That's got our meat. Get some more butter on here. We like the butter. Okay, boom. Get the queso Oaxaca in here. This guy's gonna be real cheesy. I'll let that melt for a second. Pico de gallo. That's gonna be 1 element, 1 layer of a quesadilla. Dude, we are in cheese heaven right now. Put everyone on. Oh my God. Yes. Take this layer. Boom. Put that. We are now, woo, spicy. We are now 3 layers deep. We go a little bit more cheese. Pico de gallo. Use the other hand. Oh my God. This is just such a ridiculous looking quesadilla. The 4x4 Killa Dilla quesadilla. We are out of here. Graeagle was beautiful. Quesadillas were bomb. Big Green Egg was clutch. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.